You may have considered methods to generate money online if you're searching for a side hustle or a new company concept. Making money online is really simple if you know what you're doing. You may work full time or part time from the convenience of your own home. Who wouldn't want to work in their PJs and get some extra money? In this video, we'll explore 5 simple tips for making money online quick and easy. To learn how to make money online, watch this video from start to finish. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon for more videos like this. Number 10. Build websites. Every company nowadays needs a website. There is a large market for web designers, and you don't even need to know how to code to construct a site these days. You can quickly create a website that appears slick and professional by using a service like MailChimp. If you're starting from scratch, you may even purchase a name via MailChimp that corresponds to a certain subject or company. Just remember that it's ideal to choose a specialty before you start building websites. Put up a good portfolio of your website, then get out there and advertise yourself. Number 9. Become an influencer. Influencers are persons who use social media like YouTube to promote or endorse products or services to prospective consumers. If it interests you, consider what your specialization may be. Perhaps you have an interest in fashion or travel. Perhaps you have a lot to say about technology or exercise equipment. Consider your abilities and choose a specialization that enables you to highlight them. Once you've decided on a niche, it's time to promote to an audience. This may be accomplished via the use of a blog or social media channels. You may begin selling to your audience after you have built one. If you become well known, you may be able to represent certain businesses and earn money by marketing their goods. Number 8. Become a virtual tutor. Tutors are in high demand. You may assist students improve their grades and prepare for examinations if you are a teacher or someone with particular expertise. Keep in mind that you must have teaching experience as well as subject-specific certification. This will assist both parents and students gain credibility. Conduct some research to better understand your target audience. Choose subjects that you will feel comfortable teaching based on your expertise. You will have an edge if you have specialist certification or an advanced degree. When you work as a virtual tutor, you may use a variety of instructional strategies. You may utilize interactive exercises, presentations, narrative, and even gamification to make your course lectures more engaging. One excellent technique to generate money online is as a virtual instructor. Number 7. Develop an app. By creating an app, you may assist a business appear on the home screen of its target audience's mobile devices. They may benefit from gamification, dedicated communities, and interactive material this way. Because app developers are in high demand, creating your own app or working for a firm in need might be a terrific way to supplement your income. Number 6. Write and publish an ebook. If you have any expertise on a certain subject, you may always create and publish an ebook to earn money online. Just be sure to write about anything related to your blog. This increases your chances of earning a sale since your audience is drawn to your site because of its subject or specialization. You may also create a mailing list and contact prospective consumers through email about your ebook. Number 5. Create a blog. Blogs are a popular money-making tool since they are simple to set up and provide several monetization options. If you are knowledgeable about a topic, you may develop an online course and sell your knowledge to visitors to your site. Or, if you have a site that specializes in a certain area, you may offer digital items connected to that topic to people who visit your blog, such as tutorials, templates, ebooks, and more. You might become an affiliate marketer if you don't have your own products to offer. Affiliate marketing is a method of making money online by advertising the products of others on your website. The sponsoring firm pays you a commission every time someone clicks on the link. There are several affiliate networks with a long list of firms where you may join and become an affiliate marketer. Another approach to monetize your site is to place AdSense advertising on it. You get money every time someone clicks on the ad. It can be an excellent way to generate passive income. Number 4. Take online surveys. You can get money online by doing surveys, believe it or not. There are websites where you can do surveys in your leisure time and earn gift cards or cash. Keep in mind that some paid survey sites are superior than others. One option to get money online by completing surveys is via branded surveys. It's also a popular choice among many people. There is a welcome bonus, contests, a loyalty program, and competitive payouts. You may earn up to $5 for each completed survey. Number 3. Start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is a straightforward and lucrative business idea. You don't have to pay to keep your goods. Instead, you work as a middleman. Find vendors online that will sell you things wholesale, then mark them up and profit. There are many of suppliers that can give you with stuff ranging from laptops and apparel to jewelry and health food. To promote and sell the items, you will need to have your own website and a e-commerce shop. Number 2. Start a YouTube channel. There are several methods to earn money online with a YouTube channel. The most common method is to include AdSense adverts in your videos. Every time someone clicks on your ad, you get money. You may also advertise items in your YouTube videos by wearing or utilizing certain things. Add a link to your web shop to encourage visitors to come and purchase your goods, or contract with third-party firms to market their products. Just make sure you have an enticing offer for your audience. Creating sponsored video is another option to monetize your YouTube channel. You may earn money by endorsing branded items or making content marketing videos in this manner. Number 1. Find freelance work. When you operate as a freelancer, you work for yourself and accomplish jobs on a contract basis. When you work as a freelancer, you are self-employed even if you have a contract with a corporation. There are also several freelancing opportunities available online. Indeed, there are several freelancing websites that post available positions. Make sure you look into Upwork. They are the biggest freelancing marketplace in the world. Upwork has a significant number of remote freelancing jobs available. There will be listings for freelancers such as web designers, project managers, authors, graphic designers, and others. Upwork employs over 15 million freelancers and is completely free to join. Upwork also has over 2 million jobs for freelancers posted. Today's video has finished playing. I hope you all find it informative. You can express your gratitude by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel so you don't miss out on any of the fantastic videos we upload in the future.